Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar bearish rollercoaster ride continues as it displays many twists and turns and therefore now heading to the 74.20 objective, which has been waited for some time. Nevertheless, with the target now just about 40 points away, could see a little bit of bullish response as we get closer to this level, because previously did display a bullish outside range day, as you can see here, but from the strong rejection from that high 75 area, and along with that, with the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has rebounded to the highs of 92.72 overnight, now gives further indication to the bearish trade. The euro is heading lower and closer to its objective, seen at 117.50. I do anticipate from there we could see a little bit of profit taking. However, from this current pattern, the trajectory under 117.50 comes in around 116.10. So do keep that in mind. However, we are oversold and therefore could see, as I say, a little bit of a response to the bull case and see a rebound from there. In the overnight session, the market was waited for the anticipated minutes from the Fed. And from that, the Fed mid-June minutes acknowledged that the inflation had outpaced expectations and the central bank will need to be ready to pull back on its massive bond buying program. However, the Fed did not provide clues on when this shift would happen, and that the stance was consistent with the commentary from the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, and it did not actually respond much to the markets. But of course, further important inflation data will come in July, but the minutes provide further details on what the Fed's thinking for now. The dollar yen price action is near enough reached its target of 110.40. Now I have put in place a possible extension down towards 109.60-70 area, and from there could see a little bit of profit taking. The reason why I put a little bit of an extension is because the top side was briefly broken. I do anticipate the same to the downside, and therefore could put in play that bearish decline to the 109.70 region. Looking at the sterling, we're looking back towards the 137.40-45 level after previously contested there did stage a bounce. However, do be a little bit cautious towards this level because there is a long-legged doji, which is a sign of indecisiveness in the market. The MACD is rising a little bit, and therefore keeping an eye on the RSI, not completely breaking down as previously could see a bit of a turnaround from 137.40, as in a bullish response. This in terms could see 152 hold for the short-term period because we do also have a long-legged doji here. With the technical still a little bit heavy and with the ADX trending though, let's see how the market plays into 152 because beneath there exposes the region of 150.70-75. Well, after its trek of 2, 4, 6 days to the upside, the market responded somewhat to a failed challenge above 1,800 and currently looking a little bit weaker as the RSI is buckling. I do anticipate, though, if the longer we remain above 1,786, should eventually see an upside target of 35. That's 1,835. However, a close under 1,786, that is, would reinstate the downside to 1,760. And the key reversal, divergence, heavy technical signals. The market has plummeted further overnight for oil and now closer to its objective, which is seen at $69.50. Reassess from there as we could see a little bit of profit taking come into play. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.